The exhibition is about artists trying to capture a fresh look of nature, going out and painting on the spot. But the artists from Pre-Raphaelites to British Impressionists achieved very different results. And that's because they had different ideas about what was the essence of nature. For Pre-Raphaelites, it was capturing the brightness, the colours, the detail of nature. For Rustic Naturalist, it was about painting the harmony of nature, which included workers and animals, and also being alert to the design aspects, the details of flowers. Then when we come to British Impressionists, it's capturing the momentariness of colour and light, often in sunshine, bright sunshine. The associated artist colonies of Newlyn and other coastal areas, the freshness of nature, breeziness and exuberance. My favourite, well, in the Pre-Raphaelite section, one of the most beautiful paintings, I think, is John William Inchbald's painting of the Lake of Lucerne. And that really glows with colour, and it captures the brilliance of the light in the Swiss Alps. When we come on to the rural naturalists, the star painting is Clausen's picture of a peasant girl with a jug, which he painted in France. It's tiny, but it's a real treasure, painted in the open air, which is partly why it is so small, with the working girl in front of him. On to the British Impressionists, we've got a lovely painting by Wynford Dewhurst, who was known as the Manchester Impressionist, and he does paint in this way, in these little short brush strokes, which absolutely scintillate with colour and heat from the painting. In the Newlyn and the Artists of the Coast, I would choose Harold Harvey's painting of blackberrying, which is from our sister collection at South Shields Art Gallery and Museum. And a few more of my favourites are some pictures by women artists in the show. So we have Elizabeth Forbes, lovely picture of girls in a garden, Isa Jobling, a working woman in the harvest fields, bright sunlight behind her, and Ethel Walker, a lovely Monet-esque picture of a woman in a garden. So the feel of the exhibition is uplifting, it's happy, it's intriguing, it's a really enjoyable display. What I'd like people to take from the exhibition is firstly to have enjoyed it, and I hope they really do, and to have seen things they didn't expect to see, and to have learned information that they hadn't expected also. But I think the most important thing is you come along, enjoy it, and have a good time.